stocks continue to decline. In line with major regional markets, the VN index closed in the red on October 2nd as investors remained cautious amid geopolitical fluctuations. The VN index continued to fail at the 1,300 point level, causing investors to be more cautious, compounded by geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. The HOSE index opened below the reference and moved sideways for most of the trading session. Buyers and sellers were in a wait-and-see mode as both positive and negative information intermingled. China released a series of economic stimulus packages, which analysts predict could have a positive effect on the stock market. However, risk assets were massively sold off during the session as tensions in the Middle East escalated. Numerous Asian stock markets, including Japan and South Korea, also declined. The VN index closed the session at 1,287.84 points, down 4.36 points, 0.34%, its lowest level in a week. The VN 30 index lost over 4 points, or 0.32%, ending at 1,354.51 points. On the Hanoi exchange, both the HNX index and UPCOM index hovered near the reference level. Market liquidity also dropped compared to recent sessions, reaching over VND 19 trillion. Of this, OSE accounted for more than VND 17.7 trillion, VN 5 trillion less than the previous session. The HOSE was dominated by red, with only 96 stocks rising compared to 299 declining. Foreign investors net bought over VND 250 billion. Investor capital remained concentrated in three main sectors: banking, real estate, and financial services. VCB contributed the most to the VN index, adding nearly 1 point as it rose 0.76% to VN 92,700. On the other hand, HPG dragged the index down the most, losing nearly 1.7%. Among large-cap stocks, the main support still came from the banking sector, with 8 out of 10 stocks rising by the end of the session. Besides VCB, TPB led the blue-chip gainers with a 2.3% increase, while TCB gained over 1%, and SSB, BID, ACB, MBB, and STB closed in positive territory. Conversely, some banking stocks and other sectors faced downward adjustments. HDB, CTGG, SHB, VIB, BCM, and VPB all lost over 1% by the close. VIX, CSSI, MWG, FPT, and VJC also ended in the red. In the mid-cap group, only a few subgroups such as fertilizers and construction held above the reference, while the majority closed below the reference level.
This content is just an example for learning English. Thank you for watching. How do you feel about this video? Please leave a comment below.